Hey guys, how are you? Okay, fell asleep on the couch after dinner. Long day. Live stream. If you missed anything, here's a summary. I'm the fastest racketeer showman on the net, but I also do a live stream with the morning word from God. I did the live stream this morning. Went to see the horses. Did a bunch of videos. Put it together with music afterwards, so I have a 15, 16 minute of us with our horses. Everything. Like a little bit of everything. Go watch it. I also did the lunging. That's the first time we lunged in a long time. My husband said we did it in the spring, so I don't know. We're just changing seasons. So that was the first. So I got that edited, put together before dinner. My husband ordered dinner out. It was awesome. So guys, we were talking about how to get your, so go watch that. Intel summary, hot off the presses. Oh, there was some kind of, so much going on with the generals meeting tomorrow. We'll talk about that in the morning, okay? The generals are meeting tomorrow. I'm doing my shake reverse H. I'm doing net time, no extra time. I have to do this anyway. I'm also loading a new thing. It's been a few days onto Instagram, Facebook. I always load the same thing. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You decide where you want to watch it. This is how I reverse the aging process. One of my many tricks to being 60 and looking like this. Yes. Standalone product. It might be the only one you want. Little water, shake it all out. Get it all. Cleanse the palate. That's how you find the new you. Shakes. Link underneath almost every video. I'm not posting a link under this. This is a short. Then, another trick. This is a gel. If you email me, you have to email me to get the gel link. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. 24 to 48 hours for a response to your emails, especially if it's not about this. If you need the steps, 3 steps, debt cancellation steps, or tax strategies, I get back with you within a day. But this stuff, give me 24 to 48 hours because this is a separate link. I have to go find it. I have to get on my app. But this gel, I rub it in, and while it dries, this is lipstick. I'm trying different lip glosses. This is Anastasia. It's very sheer, too sheer. So I wear this with my hubby. He doesn't like the real thick one that I wear on most of my videos. Oh shoot, this went over 3 minutes. What the flip? So, 3 magic moments. Before I go to bed, I'm gonna start doing a little series to remind you to rehearse what are your 3 magic moments in your day. If we do that for 21 days, we'll be a little bit happier. Also, I'm going to start doing my push-ups, drop and give me 20 again, that the guys gave us to from the military, because they can stay in shape. We got to stay in shape for this wealth transfer, okay? So my 3 magic moments where, I have so many. The horses, obviously, my magic moments. They still love me, even though I sent somebody else to train them, and they're in training with yet a new trainer, so they got a lot of new people in their life. Other magic moment was hubby ordered dinner without me even having to ask him. He knows exactly what I want. I didn't have to ask him. Other magic moment is my puppy. She was not having it. Usually we have to keep her off the couch until we finish eating, because otherwise she's got her face in her place, right? So we push her off with our feet. We block her with our feet. It's really kind of funny. You have little things in your life like that. She was not having it this morning. She jumped over my husband's legs, barreled in between us, and she snuggled. It was the cutest. And then my husband goes, "Oh, look at the sunset. It's really pink." And I was too tired to get up because I had a long day. I was too tired to get up and take a video of how pretty the sunset was. So, life is good when you're tired, when you go to bed tired. Okay, I'm going to bed. Bye. I love you. Bye. Let me know if you like this. Bye.